Good morning! Happy Tuesday! Today is May 28. Ayan si Kuya. Gawa siya ng kanyang... That's good. That's good. Magana siya ng toaster. Toast. Ito, kumain na siya. Si Jan umalis. May pinuntahan lang shop. Meron siyang inaasikaso para dun sa boat. So, mamaya nandito na yun. Umalis siya 7. Anong oras na ba? 9 na, guys. 9. And si Holly, ayan, binubuksan niya na yung mga windows. And si Sak. Ready na pala yan si Sak, oh. It's alright. Nakabihis na ako. And si Jan, ayan, karating-rating lang. And nabihugas din ako. Hi. How did you go? What's this? Tray. Solo? What's this?
Huh?
Is this a drink?
No.
What?
Ready to go? Or are you going to come over later?
Later, because it's so early, huh? They're going 10:15.
They're going in a minute. Or 3 minutes.
Oh. What's this? Is this deodorant?
Yeah.
Solo deodorant. Body spray. Akala ko inumin. So sila, mga ulan naman sila doon. 11 pa ang ni Zach. 9:57 pa lang, 11 pa ang laro ni Zach. Tapos si Broy, di pumunta siya ng bakery, tsaka si Ben, binilhan niya tayo ng bread rolls. So gagawa ako ng, this time ang gagawin ko ay Vegemite rolls with cheese. And, hihiwain ko ulit. Meron pa akong salami. Hiwain ko rin ulit yun para mayroong cheese platter. Tapos, may fruits. And yeah. So, sila mauna na sila doon kasi ang aga pa, guys. So, dito muna ako. Naglilinis muna ako ng mga pinagkainan ng mga bata kasi nag-toast sila kanina. And, ayusin ko itong buko. Binasa ko na pala itong buko, guys. Pinaliguan. Yeah.
Oh, I've got 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, I got 6.
How many of you? 4. 2. Maybe Ben will have 2. Okay. Thank you. Yung buko ayan, ganyan siya pag hindi ko siya binower or in-straight. Super, siya, yung, talaga siya, yung, ang tawag ng sabog. Sabog na sabog talaga siya yung ganyan. So mamaya tatalian ko siya ulit. Siguro yan, kahapon. Ayusin ko lang dito. Siya din gumagawin siya ng sandwich para sa mga bat. May si Seth and may alis na sila. Tingnan niyo yung solo. Does it smells good? Let me smell. Lalagyan na siya. Oh, it smells fresh. We're gonna use it now. Solo, guys, Solo original. So you have to buy few of that to bring in the Philippines. Because you're gonna, huh? We don't have. I don't think so. We have that in the Philippines. Not in the Philippines, yeah. But I don't see that at Coast. Yeah. Alright. Wow. Ready to run and get sweat. My bag? Okay then. Oh, dadaling ko pa siya. Put in my bag now because I will forget it. Okay, tapusin ko rin yung ginagawa ko dito and gawa na ako ng rolls. May baon silang. Ito, nabili namin ito kagabi. Nung pauwi. Yeah, I'll just put this in my bag. And naglalagay na ulit siya ng deep heat. And si Daddy kinukuha na yung kanyang hoodie, shoes, and si Holly. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's put it there. Yeah, I will make a Vegemite rolls. Dito na pala ako, guys, sa Oval. Hindi ko na pakita sa inyo yung mga ginawa nating snacks. Kasi si Brady pumasok siya sa caravan. So, nagchika-chika kami. Then, sabay na kami pumunta dito. So, yung bread rolls, nasabi ko sa inyo na gagawin kong Vegemite rolls. Hindi yun ang ginawa ko kasi sabi ni Jan. Para daw yun bukas kasi tonight daw isi-save niya yung belly niya para sa dinner mamaya. Kasi punta tayo ng Watermark. Doon tayo magdi-dinner. So, ang ginawa kong sandwich ay yung bread natin kahapon. Pero Vegemite pa rin, pero sandwich siya, hindi yung roll. Ayan si Johnny Boy. Hindi pa naman nag-start si Sak, mamaya pa siya. Maya-maya pa. May 30 minutes pa. Mag-start na sila, Sak. Kumakain sila ng lollies. Ayan yung mga kagrupo natin.
Where's Dad?
Over there. Across.
Where?
There. Ito pala yung mga dala natin, guys. And si Jan, siya na yung nagsabing wag ako gagawa ng sandwich. Pero siya yung unang kakain. Ito. Hi, Han. Honey.
What's that one?
Vegemite and cheese. Ayan. Second day. First game for second day. Go, Sak. Go, Sak. Go, Sak. Kick. Go, Jog. Oh. Oops. Go, kick. Good job. Good job. Go, go, kick, kick, kick. Oh. Sak! Go, Sak! Good job, Sak. Oh, nice! Oh! Good job! Oh! Go, Sak! Good job, Sak! Oh, your arm, Sak. Good job, Sak. So angry.
Zach, get in there, Zach. Jaws.
Go, 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 kick. Good job. Come on. Oh my God. Go, Sak.
Gallows. Top of the square, mate. Good work. Keep going, Zach. Keep going. Get it on. Go, nice. Go, mate. Go, nice. Max. That's where I wanted you.
Oh, come on.
Keep chasing, Max. Keep pushing down.
Come on. Go, Sak.
Shepherd, 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 Shepherd.
Oh, yeah. Good job, boys.
Well played, boys.
Good job, Sak. Mason. Kick now. Yes. Good job, boys.
Get your hands on it.
Oh my God, Sak, careful. Mitch, go Mitch. Oh, humble. Kako, good job.
Push down, get some numbers around the foot.
Sak. Oh my God. Go, 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 go. Go, Sak.
Go, Zach, go, Zach, eh? Go, Zach, eh? Go, Zach, eh? Hit your feet, hit your feet.
Get it up.
Tackle.
Go, Max. Go, go, run. Good job, Sak.
Go, Zach, eh?
Oh,
Keep working, Zach, back on the facts, go, Zach.
good job, Jago. Sak. Go, Sak. Good job, Sak. Good job, Sak. Oh my God, Sak. Go, Sak. Good job, Sak. Potatoes. Go, Mitch. Go, Sak. Good job, Sak. Oh. Go, Sak! Good job, Sak. Go, Sak! Another Sak. Go. Yes, Sak! Tapos na yung first quarter. What's the score? We're just up 2 points. Up tayo ng 2 points. Okay, second quarter.
Right tackle, Zach.
Kick! Oh, good job! Naka-goal tayo, guys. Go, Sak! Oops.
Grab the ball. Hold it in. Hold it in. Hold it in. Hands on it. Hands on it.
Good job!
Contest. Mitch. Contest.
Mitch! Go, go, go! Sak! Other Sak.
Gotta go again.
Go, go, go! Mitch! Go, Mitch! Oops!
Pick her up.
Pick it up!
Pick her up. Pick her up.
Good job.
Archie, don't need
Go, Sak! Good job, Sak!
Lead up, Ryan. Lead up, Ryan.
Go, go, go!
Kick long. Kick long. Contest, Zach. Go, Zach.
Go, Sak! Run, Sak! Good job! Yes, Zachary!
Run at him. Hook it.
Yes, Zachary.
That one with that.
Get on him.
Oh! Almost! Nahit ni Sak yung post eh. Kag-goal na sana si Sak, nahit yung post. Come on, Mitch! Go, go, Brock! Go, kick, Brock! Yeah. Go, Saki! Ho, go! My God. Go, 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 go! Run! Sak!
Big push.
Yes! Tapos na, guys, panalo tayo. First game, panalo tayo. For today. Where's next? Mag-relocate na naman tayo.
Over there, but how long is it?
2 games.
Oh, so we can stay here for a bit?
I got no idea.
Kasi may 2 games pa bago yung mga bago sila Sak. So, ewan ko saan tayo magre-relocate tayo. Ha? Banana. Siya na talaga. Para siya yung naglalaro. Siya ang gutom. Sabi niya wag daw. Wag daw ako magpack ng maraming food. Kasi ihanda ang kanyang belly mamaya sa dinner. Pero ayan, kaya siya nagkain. Okay. Move na tayo.
Because he's got another chair.
Oh, here's that one.
I reckon they're our bags there.
Okay. Dito na yung ating player. Congrats, Sak. Saki, congrats. Thank you. You want something to eat? You want banana?
I'm half back now.
Back?
Half back.
Half back.
Did you have breakfast?
You're not in the wing? Huh? You're not gonna be in the wing?
Well, I'm not on the wing.
You don't want? Yeah, I mean middle. So which one is better? Middle or? Middle. But the second game you're going to the? What's your position in second game?
Halfback.
Halfback. You like that one? Sandwich?
No.
What? Banana? Chips? Okay. Water? Fruit box? Okay. Ayaw niya mag-sandwich. Gusto niya banana. May grapes din tayo dyan. May orange, ay mandarin pala, pero ayaw niya kasi nga may seeds. Tapos na si Sak kumain, and alam niyo ba, may seed daw ang banana. Batag sana sabi ko. Batag is banana sabi ko. Yung dulo ba, yung dito, seed daw yun. So, hindi niya kinain. And si Mers tumawag. Papunta siya dito. Kasi malapit lang naman si Mers dito kung nasan yung event. So, mamaya, pag malapit na siya, tatawag ulit siya para i-meet ko. Para manood din daw siya. Kasi wala siyang anak. Nasa school yung dalawa niyang kids. And eto na pala yung setup natin. Ayan na si Bridie and the other parents. Andun. Si Sak umalis na after yung kumain. Pumunta sa tent. Kasama yung iba niyang team. And ang ganda pa rin ng weather, guys. Ang init. Wala tayong sombrero. Sombrero talaga. Wala tayong cap. So, sobrang init na ng aking mukha. Yes. Ano? Yeah, okay. Just make sure you stick together, okay? And si Holly nga, naka-short lang yan, oh. Hindi niya nakita. Pero naka-short lang siya. At saka yung bago niyang sapatos. And pink din na jumper. Ayan siya, oh. Sabing kita niyo. Ayan. Di ba umalis si Holly? Nagpabili ako sa kanya, guys, ng Boost. Meron daw kasi doon na parang food truck. Tapos, yun nga, yung Boost nandun din. So, sabi ko, bilhan niya.
When do you go umpire? The race?
Umpire si Jan sa team ng boys. Mag-umpire siya. Dito na si Sis. Hi! Ayan na siya.
Napadaan ako,
napadaan
guys. Wala
siya.
akong bata ka today.
Ay, wala siyang bata. And si Sak, ayan.
Hi,
si
Kuya.
Jan. Hi. Ayan si Sak. Dala niya yung plug.
Gonna play? Tapos na.
Hindi, mag-play pa siya.
Anong oras yung play niya?
Ngayon na.
Ngayon na.
Yeah. Tapos si Jan ang magiging umpire siya yan kung maka-goal or 1 point in.
Ah, si John yung mag-umpire?
Ngayon, oo.
Ang cute naman.
Second game nila, guys. Ayan. Nandun malayo si Sak. Si Jan nandun, oh. Kasi siya yung umpire, di ba? Nandun din si Holly katabi. Ayun si Holly, oh. Katabi. Hindi natin makita masyado kasi napakalayo natin, guys. Oh, ayan, oh. Tapos na yung first quarter dito sa second game. Ito yung second. Ayun si Sak. Number 8. Number 8. Yung gano'n siya kabilis. Wow, si Kuya. Have you heard TJ? Nandun siya kabila. Nagko-coach din siya. Oh! Oh! Good job! Go, Sak! Go, Sak! Go, Sak! 14, no? Good job! Go, Zachary! Oh, come on! Oh my God, Sak! Bad luck. Oh, ano yun? Aggressive yun si Sak eh. Wala yung pakialam na masaktan. Oh my God. Go, Saki boy! Good job! Saki boy! Good job! Di natin nakuha masyado. Hindi ko nakuha.
Wait lang.
Orin to si Saki. Go, Sak! Oh! Good job, Sak! Wag ka, Sak. Guys, talo si Sak. Talo.
Have a good night.
Hindi, ano.
Kanina daw nanalo eh. Pagdating ko nanalo.
Hindi, ganun naman talaga. Asa na sila? Mag-relocate na naman tayo. Kain kami ni Mers ng cheese platter.
Yeah.
Wala pa naman kasing ano, may orange din tayo. Oh, eto good for our, ano, sa sipon natin. Tapos na kami mag-cheese platter.
Yeah.
Anong oras na?
Uwi na ako.
Uwi na siya.
Sundo na ako, guys.
Sundin-
2:23.
2:23. Sunduin niya si Riker. Pero baka bukas bumalik siya.
Yeah.
Balik ka bukas?
Yeah, wala rin akong bata.
Wala rin siyang wala siyang bata. Kaya
Race.
dito siya. Manood na lang siya ng footy.
Malapit lang naman.
Oh, malapit nga. Ayan yung nila, oh. Dito ako guys sa Big 4. Yung nila, yung parang canteen dito sa Big 4. Si Mars nasa toilet. And tingnan nyo guys, ang daming bunga ng lemon. Or orange. Or mandarin. Wala kasi nakalagay. Yung lemon nandoon eh. Pero wala pa siyang dahon. Yung may parang, may nakalagay lemon. Ito, siguro mandarin to. Daming bunga. Sarap pumitas. Baka pagalitan tayo. Ayan yung katabi niya. Eto, lime naman siguro to. Kasi green na green pa.
Siya, diba?
Okay, see ya. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Mwah, ingat.
natin.
Oo, i-text mo ako ha. Or tawagan mo ako. Bye.
Kaya pag nagsundo,
Oo.
ano naman yung oras, diba?
Oo. Kanina pa nakaalis si Mers. Next game is sila Sakna. Ito na yung last game nila ngayong araw.
Yeah.
Anong oras na ba? 3:04. 3:04 yung last game nila. Or 3:10. Pero yan, andun na sila. Ang ganda ng araw, pero hindi maganda sa skin. Sobrang init na ng aming mga mukha. Yeah, mag-start na yung third game or last game for today. Tingnan niyo si Zach. Go, Zach. Go, Zach. Go, Zach! Kick! Good job, Zach.
Come on, Rice.
Mace! Go, Mace! Zach will be... yeah, he will. Go, Zach! Go, Zach! Good job! Yeah. Go, Mason. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, good job. Whoa. Go, Zach! Good job, Zach. Oh, go, 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 go! Oh no! Go! Humble! Good job, Max. Good job. Okay, Mason. Yes, Zach. Yes, Zach. Good job, Zach. Go, si Zach. Go, 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 Jag, Jag, go, Jag, go. Oh, dali. Good job. Go kick. No humble. Oh my God. Go, Zach.
He at least got the same height, man.
Good job.
God, I thought that was nearly.
Very good.
Yeah.
Go, Captain. Oh, good job. Go, Zach. Go, Mason. Hurry up. No one's in the front. Yeah, I don't know. Go, Zach! Oh my God, Zach. Go, Zach!
Jag.
Go, go, go! Go, Zach!
Go, boys.
My God. Go, Zach! Pick it up. Tapos na yung first quarter. Winning tayo ng isang goal. Go, Zach! Ang daming sack. Hindi yan yung sack ko. Go, Zach!
Watch it. You're in Zach.
Go, Zaki! Get him! Go, job! Go, come on, boys. Look at them. Good job. Oh, he got punched. Oh, bro! Kick. Good job. Go, Max. Oh my God. Good. Go, Zach. Get it. Get it, Zach. Come on. Ouch. Go, Saki! Good job! Oh! Good job, Sak!
Zach.
Good job, Sak! Kick! Oh, one more! Okay, go! Good job, Sak. Come on, come on. Good job! Good job, Sak! Isang
Go back,
sakto.
Max. Go back. Keep going back, couple.
Good job, Sak! Naka-goal ulit si Sak. Hindi natin ako ng layo. Good job. Come on, come on. Go, Sak! Hold him! Good job, Mitch! Good job, Sak!
13.
Oh no!
Shit.
Go, Mitch!
There's nobody down here.
Run.
No run, Sak!
Who's supposed to be down
Go, Sak! Good job! Good job, Sak! Good job! Good job! Sako.
there? We have nobody
Another
down there.
grabbing.
Stop! I know! Oh no!
Go, Archie!
Oh no! Even na guys, ang score. Intense. Nagkakat tense.
Push up, Brock.
Talo tayo by 1 point. 1 point lang guys. Oh my god. So,
Go!
Very close.
talo tayo by 3 points. Oh, ang galing. Ang nakaka-tense yung larong tong huli. Etong huli to.
Get a fat gut.
Okay. Kain tayo mamaya ng ano sa Watermark. Only food buffet. Dito na tayo sa Caravan and si Sak tsaka si Max baka mag ano sila, punta ng beach
Oh,
para
there's cardboard.
mag-recovery. Recovery kasi malamig ang tubig sa beach eh. Si Sak pala best player siya today guys. Kasi much better siya ngayon compare kahapon kasi 'di ba iniinda niya yung shoulder niya. Ngayon parang hindi niya na iniinda. Pero sabi niya masakit pa rin. Pero yung kanyang hard work ngayon sa footy ay kakaiba compare kahapon. So ayan, naging best player siya. 3 points lang guys. 3 points lang natalo sila. Hindi sila natalo ng 3 points. Dalawa sana yung panalo natin. Pero hindi. Isa lang yung panalo natin. Same kahapon. So, we'll see naman tomorrow. Init na init siya. Maganda yung weather. Mainit talaga. Kahit nagaganito ako, pinagpapawisan tayo. Pero, yeah. Pahinga lang kami saglit. Tapos, alis maya-maya. Guys, nakapag-nap ako. Nung oras na, si Sak, nakaligo na. Pumunta sila sa beach. How's the beach, Sak? Huh?
We got choking.
Huh?
We got choking by the wave.
Really?
Yeah.
Was it big waves?
Yes, massive.
Whatever. Minsan hindi na ako sa kanya naniniwala.
I'm not joking.
Tingnan daw siyang kunin ng waves. Minsan hindi na ako naniniwala sa kanya. Kasi ano siya, yung lagi niya ako inaasar.
Pretty good blister.
You got blister? Okay. Alis na tayo. Si Sak sinusot niya yung bago niyang sapatos. Ang suot niya ulit na jumper ay the same kahapon. Yung in-order niya sa Sapsasa. Okay. Mag-e-edit sana ako pero inantok ako dahil sa init ba. Maghapon tayo na kabilad sa araw. So, yun guys. Nag-text yung mga girls. Okay. Alis na tayo. Ayan na siya. Maglalagay na siya ng solo. Ooh. You like that scent?
Yeah, it's alright.
It's alright. Are you gonna bring that to the Philippines?
Yeah.
Are you gonna buy more? Wow. Parang may chicks ah.
What?
Yeah? Okay, palabas na tayo ng Caravan Park. Mag-dinner na tayo. What you gonna eat, Han?
Everything.
Everything.
Fine.
Same. How about you, Sak? How about you, Ya? No, alam niyo naman si Kuya, napakatipid niya talagang.
Dad, did you see me
Sumagot,
in the park?
guys.
I got all someone
I-expect nyo na si Kuya.
Dad, did you?
Naligo sila. Si Kuya, did you have, yeah, si Kuya nag-shower yan pero same damit. Jacket.
Put me in tomorrow, Dad.
Yung jacket lang ang inuulit niya pero the rest is pinapalitan niya naman, guys.
Next chapter.
Yan yung nabili natin before. Nung last nating Adelaide bago to. Yan yata yun.
Dad, did you see me in Rock with the tall?
We are here. Yes, this is our table, guys. So, madami tayo. 24 tayo. And ayan yung Coke. Meron ng cup sila, Kuya. Gutom na si Sak, siya na nangunguna. Honey soy chicken. Right? And yung fish cracker. Yeah, whatever, yeah. Nandun na yung mga kids. Nag-start na silang kumain. Pare-pareho lang naman yung kinuha nila. Kung anong nakita yung binag ko kay Sak, ganun din sa kanila. May spring rolls lang yung iba. There's salmon there, Sak. Did you get salmon? You want me to get you one? Huh? Alright. Nag-rice na siya. Sa dami, hindi natin alam kung anong uunahin. Dessert. There's something for you there, Ash. Look at that, babe. Dito naman yung mga salad. Hi. Dito yung dessert. And they have the rice pudding there. Beb, Johnny boy, rice pudding. They have rice pudding. So, ito muna yung kinuha ko, yung mussels, prawns, and garlic prawns. Then, squid, fish na yung salmon, tapos noodles. So, ito muna ang kunin natin. And the kids, ayan, kumukuha na sila ng dessert. Ayan na pala yung plate ko. Yung pepper squid medyo maalat, kaya hindi ko nakain. Pero yung the rest nakain ko naman. Magra-round to ako. Si John, second round na din siya. And ako, second round. And yung mga bata, tingnan nyo, na-enjoy nila yung, ayan, nagko-cough. Hot chocolate? Okay. Hot chocolate naman sila. Ang bilis maano ng salmon. Ang sarap ng salmon nila, guys. Itong bake na to, ang sarap. Kuha ulit ako. Kumain ako nito kanina. Pero kuha ulit ako kasi masarap siya. And eto din, masarap tong chili seafood nila. Yung may mussels, squid and prawns, masarap to. Kuha ulit tayo. So, ayan yung itsura ng second plate natin. Dessert tayo, guys. Ayan. Sticky date. And eto chocolate pudding. So, meron tayong brulee. Ayan, with raspberry and mousse. And chocolate pudding. Yan yung dessert natin. So, meron tayong brulee. Ayan, with raspberry and mousse. And chocolate pudding. Yan yung dessert natin. And kumuha rin ako ng watermelon. We're done, guys. Yung mga bata nasa playground.
Wait, you park, ma'am.
Oops. Asa na sila? May kasama silang adults. Nandito sila, oh. Nag-exercise. Si Kuya yan, tsaka si Max Nixon. Sila nag-exercise. We are... Oh, I'm not driving. Oh, Kuya! Uwi na. Tapos na sila mag-playground. Guys, we're back. We're gonna close our vlog now. Good luck tomorrow. Last day tomorrow, okay?
Oh, thank you. Please like, please subscribe. And see you next vlog.
Good
Bye.
night. Say good night.
Night.
Good night. Best player. Ouch! Oh, busog na busog ako. Not really. Yung second pick, hindi ko naman naubos yun, guys. But yeah, thank you. Good night.
What you mean?
Cause I think I do want you next to me.